Tower beats on the beat.
Yes, baby, this is true love.
You touch him, yeah, I will show.
Yes, baby, this is true love.
You touch him, yeah, I will show.
Yes, baby, this is true love.
You touch him, yeah, I will show.
Yes, baby, this is true love.
You touch him, yeah, I will show.
Now, baby, you know you always had my heart, and you always knew that from the jump start. Now, every time I turn around, I look into your eyes, that I feel the love, don't you lie? Now when you see me get up on the block, you know I'm coming for you, don't you stop. All I wanna do is just have a conversation, then we can take it to the next situation. Baby girl, you know you're so pretty, and I know that you are not needy. Aaron Bickham Jr. is the fucking shit, and he got a white girl and she little thick. It's all good though, cause I trust her, and she know that I really adore her. Niggas out here mad cause we making moves. This is Homicide Armor, fuck you.
Hey.
Now, because I don't really give a fuck, and you wonder why I steady bust nuts. Not on you or your baby mama. Fuck y'all niggas causing all that drama. It's Armor Crew, you know what we do. And niggas, man, fuck you. I know what I am doing, like paying my bills. So what you really wanna do? Yes, baby, this is true love.
You touch him, yeah, I will show.
Yes, baby, this is true love.
You touch him, yeah, I will show.
Yes, baby, this is true love.
You touch him, yeah, I will show.
Yes, baby, this is true love.
You touch him, yeah, I will show.
It's all over, I'm a leprechaun, so bring your 4-leaf clovers.